Last week, we showed you the participants of the Mommy Room Redo Christmas Tree Roundup. The results are in, and we're happy to announce our 2022 fan favorite, as well as the winning viewer who responded to our question of the day. Both of these lucky ladies will win a gift card just in time for the holiday. And with that, let's get started. Before we congratulate our winners, we want to do two things. First, we want to ask you to subscribe. Ladies, we're only 30 subscribers away from a big YouTube milestone. Reaching that goal will enable us to give bigger prizes and feature more African American women in their homes, doing marvelous things. Second, I want to thank all of our participants. These ladies did their thing, and we're so glad they shared their awesome creations with us. Please take a few moments to acknowledge our very talented creators. Alright, so our winning question was, which creator's Christmas tree was most likely inspired after that creator watched an episode of Black Girls Rock? The answer to that was Eileen. We showcased her Black Girls Rock Christmas tree in our roundup video. Our viewer Lisa responded correctly, and she'll be receiving her gift card. Congratulations! The lady who received the most votes for her Christmas tree and will be crowned the 2022 fan favorite is Eileen. Her mannequins were a big hit this year. To see Eileen's tree as well as the other participants, check out our Mommy Room Redo Christmas Tree Roundup video or our Mommy Room Redo Facebook page. Congratulations, Eileen! All of our winners claim your prize at mommyroomredo@gmail.com. Our next competition is the Valentine's Day Tree Roundup. Send in your submissions. And now for our question of the day. What is your favorite holiday tradition? Put your response down in the comments. Thanks for tuning in, and please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Take care.